Are you wondering how much money can you make in affiliate marketing this year? Will you earn $1 million or more in affiliate marketing in 2021? I'm going to show you how to set up your very first affiliate marketing account and also how much you can make with affiliate marketing. The estimated number of online stores is 3 million and most of these stores would be using affiliate programs. How much can you earn from affiliate marketing? Well, it really depends on some factors. Your own effort, your skills, how many products you choose to promote, the type of products you choose to promote, your niche. You must have heard that money is made in niches. It's not true at all because there are many people selling thousands of dollars worth of goods on a very small niche based site. If you're promoting something useful for your visitors, then they may click on some links or buy something from your site, something which brings you money. Well, if we take $100 as an average per sale, how many sales do you need to earn $10,000? It's simple. You just need 100 sales. Who will click on your links? This is one of the most important aspects when you are new to affiliate marketing. Someone may click on your links from Google or using other search engines, but how many will actually buy something? Not everyone buys something right away. Some people will research about the product they want to buy on other sites because they are more interested in reading reviews and getting answers related to their questions. They'll visit different sites and then finally click back to your site and make a purchase. This process usually takes time, so try not to give up after your first sale. True story about me some months ago. One of my friends told me that his website was on the first page of Google for a very large niche-based term. He was getting 3 to 4 visitors every day from Google and his website had a very high domain rating. His sites were monetized with AdSense, but he wasn't earning much of them because the click-through rate from those keywords was not so good. I told him that he should build an authority site by writing quality content that is related to that specific keyword. I also told him that there are many other ways in which you can use your site, like affiliate marketing, selling products, or using it as a lead generation source. Well, the guy didn't listen to me and later he lost even first place on Google. Okay, so let me give you some examples of some very super famous affiliates. You must have known about Tony's blog. Well, Tony's blog is considered a super affiliate blog because he writes about more than 50 different niches. He has written on topics such as affiliate marketing, internet business, making money online, and other topics related to personal finance. Key takeaways from his articles are: how much can you earn? As I told you, it really depends on some of the factors like your own efforts and skills, type of products, niches, how many visitors you get per month. Visitors, not sales. Whether your website converts well or not. Key people in affiliate marketing are bloggers who write quality content for their readers. They believe in long-term blog earning and they write for content for this purpose. An affiliate program is the easiest, fastest way to start a small business. You don't have to spend your money on buying products or building a website from scratch. Another benefit of affiliate marketing is that you can promote any product as long as it's legal. So if you find something useful for your visitors, then just promote it. Everything else will be handled by the program which you are promoting through your site. Many people think that making money online is difficult, but still there are many easy ways to make a good income using different methods such as affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing basic training tutorial 1 is also written by me and I'm trying to give affiliates some valuable resources which they can use for their own benefit. If you want to earn something from your online business, don't waste much time and start doing something right now. Well, the question arises, why should you learn affiliate marketing? When I started my affiliate journey in 2019, I did not have much knowledge about blogging or internet marketing. In the beginning, I bought a few books related to these topics, but it was really difficult for me to understand so many new things at once. Then later on, I found some useful sources on the internet like SEO Book, I Am Secrets, jasonbadbury.com, and other places where people were sharing their experiences with others in such an easy way. They were writing articles based on their own experience and they were answering questions related to their niche, which I found very interesting. Then later on, my income started increasing day by day because I gradually became more experienced in this field and always tried to learn something new every day. But moving on, after a while you have the ability to skip the affiliate linking part of WordPress-based sites. You can directly get your share from the main site advertiser when a sale is made on that site through a special tracking link or code provided by your affiliate network. Well, how much money do affiliates really make? It depends on many factors. Some will earn thousands while some won't even make $1. Yes, it is true. But there are various reasons for this. The guy didn't try hard enough. What was his niche? What did he write about? Was he motivated enough to learn something new every day, or just kept copying and pasting other people's content without adding anything of his own? Well, he or she, whatever may the gender be, how was the quality of his or her articles? Just remember that affiliate marketing is a very competitive business. Even if you have some visitors coming to your site, it doesn't mean that they will buy something from your affiliate link. And that is the most important part that people have to understand. Everybody who's visiting your link, it's not compulsory that they're going to buy something. Maybe they don't trust you or think that the product is too expensive. So check out this article, Freelance Copywriter Make Money Online by James Faraday, who writes mainly on several topics related to copywriting. He has also tried to help affiliates by writing different tutorials on this blog, which I highly recommend you to read. Now, affiliate commissions in different niches. Just to name a few, let's come back to our topic. How much can you earn from affiliate marketing? As I said, it depends on many factors, but first of all, let me show you a little bit information about the affiliate industry. According to Forrester Research, B2B e-commerce sales worldwide could grow by as much as 58% this year and reach about $3 trillion globally in the coming years, as consumers increasingly turn to online networks and mobile devices to do business. This increases the need for marketers to find new ways to reach customers and engage them throughout their life cycle. One way they can do this is with affiliate offers. Affiliate marketing could be a highly effective way to attract and monetize customers in new ways using both traditional marketing and digital channels such as search, social media, mobile apps, websites, and more. So how do affiliates track performance? Let's say you've built a really good site for the fishing industry and want to make money by selling fishing equipments through an affiliate network. Here are some of the stats that you will need. First, average session duration. You can get this from Google Analytics. Second, keywords that visitors type into search engine. This would help you decide your niche. And the third, which ad networks you should join. There are many types of networks like AdSense, Chedika, CJ, Affiliate, Window, SuperClick, and more. Fourth is how many visitors you can get each month from your affiliate marketing. It depends on your niche. Niche with most visitors can earn higher commissions. Fifth, how many clicks you will get from your ads. It depends also on the niche, whether or not it is a seasonal business and how much traffic comes to your page. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I would highly recommend you to read these articles. Top program picks, affiliate marketing for beginners, and top 10 affiliate programs, advertisers and publisher guide to affiliate marketing, using the same domain name for affiliate program and selling your product. Always make sure that you read the terms of service regulations about this situation. It is not forbidden, but it is a matter of ethics. Your commission can vary depending on your niche and affiliate network. Usually the commission is around 10 to 15% of the sale price from your product. Here's a simple formula to calculate your commissions. Let's say you are promoting fishing equipment, so if they will buy X fishing rod from your site with a $100 price tag for $110, then their profit would be $10. So your commissions would be $1 from every sale, because $10 into 0.5 is equals to 5%. So in the example, it would amount to $6 to $9 or even more. If you promote your digital products, commission is usually 30%. Affiliate networks give affiliates a share of revenue generated through sales or lead generations through their supply network. There are many niches with high potential to earn affiliate commissions. The most profitable ones are PPC, mobile, and e-commerce. Now, more websites converting to the latest version of online e-commerce, WordPress 3 or mobile optimized, affiliate marketing can become more effective. Even with all those benefits, you may still have some issues with this type of website monetization, like high competition, not enough traffic, too much traffic from bots, expensive inventory, unreachable audience, not enough time to publish content. So, am I saying that you should give up on AdSense and other traffic networks? No, but it is not always the best idea to put all your eggs in one basket. If the niche you know something that everyone else didn't know, you'd be rich. But being rich is not what I want. What I want is to be an affiliate of a successful business and to earn handsomely from it. This made me think about making money online. Asking around with some discussions with friends and associates revealed an interesting way of earning money: affiliate marketing. Turns out there are thousands who make profits from this method. The common man blogosphere too has been clamoring for its popularity. Just check out how much these bloggers like Darren Rousey were able to grow their blogs into six-figure businesses. So let's get started then.